Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to Coupon Hacks. This is Karna once again, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So, if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my money saving videos every week. So, in this video, I'm going to show you my newbie friendly deal happening at CVS effective November 4th until November 10th of 2018. So, this is a newbie friendly deal, guys. So, we're not going to use any CVS CRTs. We are only going to use the manufactured coupons that we can find, that we can get this coming Sunday. That's November 4th. So, and we're also going to try to only spend $10 because when we start, if you're a newbie and this is your first time couponing, we're going to have to start small. And we're also going to try to stick to that. So, come on and let's go jump into the deals. So, the first thing we're going to do is scan your extra care card before shopping. So, for our first transaction, we're going to pick up 4 Eucerin. Eucerin is on promotion next week. That's spend 20, get a $10 extra bucks back. And we have coupons to pair with that. So this is the breakdown. So we are going to grab 4 Eucerin lotion. That's $5.99 at my store. So that's 4. That's a total of $19.96. And then we are going to use 4 of the $2 Eucerin internet printable coupon from coupons.com. I will be putting that in the link below. Or we also have a manufactured coupon this coming Sunday. So we're going to use 4 of that. So that's going to take off $8. And we are going to pay $11.96. But then we're going to get $10 in extra bucks back. So the final price for this Eucerin lotion will only be $1.96. So we are going to use that $10 extra bucks to do our second transaction. So for our second transaction, we're going to pick up 2 Tresemme. This is the regular Tresemme, not the premium one. It is on promotion, 2 for $8. And if you will buy 2, you will get a $2 extra bucks back. So we're going to get 2 of that. And we are going to get 2 Colgate Total. Colgate Total next week is also on promotion, $3.49. So in this promotion, that also includes the Colgate Max. However, we're only going to get the Colgate Total because we have a $2 manufactured coupon that we can use for the Colgate Total. If we're going to get the Colgate Max, then we won't be able to do the $2 manufactured coupon. We're only going to be able to use the 50-cent coupon. So, of course, we're going to use the high value coupon for this. So, we're going to get 2 Colgate Total. That's a total of $6.98. And we are also going to get 1 Colgate Enamel Health for $4.99. That is also on sale next week for $4.99. And if you will get 1, you will if you will buy 1, you will get a $2 extra bucks back, and that's a limit of 2. So the total for all this is $19.97. And then we are going to use 2 of the 2 of 1 Tresemme manufactured coupon that will come out from our Retail Me Not insert this coming Sunday. And then we are going to use 3 of the $2 Colgate manufactured coupon from our Smart Source 11/4. So that will take off $10. So we are going to roll our $10 extra bucks from our first transaction and use it to pay for this transaction. So we are not going to be paying anything. We're only going to be paying tax. We are going to roll our $10 extra bucks back. And then we are going to get $8 in extra bucks. That's $2 for the Tresemme, $2 for the Colgate Enamel Health, and $4 for the Colgate Total. Plus, there's more. Submit a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate in buying the Colgate Enamel Health. If you don't have any IBOTTA yet, guys, you can download IBOTTA. You can sign up, and upon signing up, you will automatically get $10. You can use my referral code. I will be putting that in the link below. Yes! So for our third transaction, this is very simple. We're only going to get 2 CoverGirl Brow Pencil. So CoverGirl again is on promotion next week. That's buy 2, get a $5 extra bucks back, and that's a limit of 1. And then we're also going to get another Colgate Enamel Health. That's $4.99. So that's a total before coupons of $14.37. And then we are going to use 2 of the $2 CoverGirl Eye manufactured coupon from our from our Smart Source November 4th. And then we are going to use 1 of the $2 Colgate manufactured coupon also from our Smart Source 11/4. So that will take off $6. And then we are going to use our $8 extra bucks from our previous transaction. So our out-of-pocket here is only 37 cents plus tax. and then we are gonna get $7 in extra bucks back. And then again, we are gonna submit that 75-cent Colgate Enamel Health IBOTTA rebate because that rebate is a limit of 5. So we can submit 2 receipts. We are gonna get a total rebate from IBOTTA of $1.50. So you can choose to stop there and keep that your $7 extra bucks for next week's deals, or we can also do this one last transaction. Chic Disposables is also on promotion. That is buy one, get the other one 50% off. And if you will spend 15, you will get a $5 extra bucks back, and that's a limit of 1. So what we can do here is we can pick up 2 Chic Quattro. One is regularly priced at $10.29, and then the other one is half off for $5.14. So that's a total of $15.43. And then we have a $7 send to app coupon for Chic. So clip that to your card before shopping, and then $7 will come off at the register. So we have a total of $8.43, and then we are going to use our $7 extra bucks from our previous transaction, and then only pay an out of pocket of $1.43. And then we are going to get $5 in extra bucks back.
Yes!
So we're going to stop here and keep our $5 extra bucks for next week's deals. So I hope this video helped you in any way. Plus, I hope that this will inspire you to coupon. Imagine we just started with $11 and bought all those items and still got $5 extra bucks plus $1.50 rebate from IBOTTA. So that's amazing, right?
Yes!
So thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. And have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Bye.